Strategies to create engaging content on social media. As a coordinator for social media, you need to be able to create captivating content that will engage users and bring them back for more. Here are some techniques you can employ to upload captivating content to social media. Listen and respond to comments. Interacting with your audience is vital. Take the time to reply to their comments or questions promptly. It helps build relationships and makes people feel heard. Incorporate visuals. Visuals are essential to any post as they help draw people's attention and make it easier for them to understand what you're saying. Post consistently. Consistency is essential when it comes to social media. Post regularly so your viewers know when to expect new content. Utilize analytics. Analyzing the data from your campaigns can help you understand what is working and what needs improvement. It will allow you to tweak your content strategy and ensure it produces the best results. These are just a few strategies social media coordinators use to create engaging content on social platforms. It's important to remember that success in this field requires dedication, creativity, and an understanding of the platform you are using. With enough practice, however, anyone can become an effective social media coordinator.